Welcome back everybody to Barber Boat Works. I hope you guys have had a great week. In this episode I'm just going to be finishing up that rudder and also the teak. Kind of left you guys hanging in the last episode, so now I'm going to kind of wrap that together. I know it's kind of a lot of little projects here and there, but promise you guys in the next episode, the part 3, I'm going to get the boat in the water, do a couple more things, and do the work on the engine, and real time the boat is sailing. So definitely stay tuned, and I'm trying to get these videos out as quickly as possible. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy. Okay, it's a little messy, but I mean, I think it looks pretty good for the first round of epoxy fairing compound. I'm going to do a metal primer after the third round of epoxy fairing compound. Alright, so right now I'm going to sand my epoxy fairing compound down and then do the second batch of that. Well, it's not perfect, but I think it's pretty good. Pretty level. So this is the first coat of penetrating epoxy on our wood here. I was able to get everything in one mix of penetrating epoxy except for this guy. So like before and after, and this is just the first coat, so it hasn't really sucked it up yet. So I'm gonna do 2 to 3 coats of penetrating epoxy. Again, I'm using this Total Coat penetrating epoxy, and then after that 3 to 4 coats of Epoxy varnish. Alright, so I'm going to take a minute to kind of talk about what I'm going to do to this Mast Up before I start the project. So this is just the bottom layer of the sandwich construction on the deck, so that's just fiberglass. I'm going to put like a ketchup consistency thickened epoxy, and then I'm going to squish in my new marine plywood block of wood that fits nicely in there, and then just put the ketchup consistency thickened epoxy all around to fill the voids. But before I do that, I need to put a couple more layers of fiberglass over this just to strengthen it up. And then, you know, once everything's kind of in there, I can then pop on the top and kind of squish it down. And of course I'm gonna do another little repair of this lid to the Mast Up. So without further ado, let's get started. big thing has been completed on the Compac 19 here. We finished the Mast Up. So you guys saw that original video of me fiberglassing that bottom piece of, with the fiberglass, and I really apologize I wasn't able to film the rest because it was getting really dark and it was supposed to rain. But anyways, that doesn't really matter at this point. Alright, here we go. So, this is the side I have not used rubbing compound and wax. So, really dull. Not much shine. Going over to this side though, really nice shine. Looks pretty good.